Okay, so now let's look at an exam question on capacitance. The question says, what is the value of capacitance of a capacitor which has a voltage of 4 volts and has a 16 coulombs of charge? Okay, so now if you don't know the formula for finding the capacitance, then you easily lose marks in the final exam. So let me quickly show you the formula and how to apply it. My name is Tutor Paul Solutions from Discrete Learning Institute, where we make the learning easy. Okay, so here we've been given a charge. Okay, we've been given a charge, which we indicate by Q, of 16 coulombs. And then we've also been given a voltage, which we indicate by V, of 4 volts. And then we are asked to find the capacitance. So now the formula for the capacitance is that capacitance is simply equals to the charge over voltage. So most students confuse the formula. Instead, they'll write capacitance is equals to voltage over charge, which is wrong. So the correct thing there to write is charge over the voltage. So now the charge that we've been given here is simply 16 charge divided by the voltage is 4 volts. So when you divide this, what you're going to have is simply 4 charge per voltage. Okay, so now 4 charge per voltage is simply just Faraday. So the units for capacitance, we say Faradays. Okay, so the capacitance there is simply 4 Faradays. All right, so an exam tip that we can give you there is that in the exam, always remember that the capacitance is equals to the charge over the voltage. So it's Q over V and not the other way. So this is one of the easiest question that can come in the exam. Provided you remember the formula, you will be able to get it correct. So don't miss it. Okay, don't miss it. So now this is just one of the questions, okay, that we've solved from the past papers that we have. So from our past papers, you can see here that this was the exam for when? This was for 2025 intake. Okay, so you can see we have section A where we have multiple choice questions. You can see all these questions here, we are going to provide video solutions for them. Okay, so 10 multiple choice questions, and then we go now to the structured questions in section B. So all these questions will be solved and you can access them on our website, which is discretelearning.com, to easily prepare for your exams. Okay, so all the solutions to this paper will be available on our website and you can access them there. So if you don't know how to access the website, simply go to Chrome, okay, and then type in discretelearning.com. You can see the website comes there and then you go to the website. So if you don't have an account, it will ask you to create an account. So you select your university, you put your name, your email, you put your password, then you log in. Then once you log in, you are going to find these courses here. You can select for the courses that you want. So if you have problems in math, you register for math, for chemistry, chemistry, for physics, physics, for biology, biology. Okay. Otherwise, you'll be able to access tutorial sheet with solutions, past papers with solutions, topic lessons, and guidance from us, plus the weekly live lessons that we have every day of the week via Zoom. Okay, so if you'd like to register, you can contact us on 0765708988. Okay, you'll reach my team there, or you can simply check the link below here in the description, okay, for the video registration guide. It will show you how to create the account and how to pay for the courses that you want. Okay, and once you pay there, you'll be able to find simple explanations just like the ones that I've given there. Don't also forget to attend our live classes that we'll be hosting every day at 20 to 21 hours as we prepare for the exam. So what are you waiting for? Register today and start preparing now. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.